Okay, now how to do this one, right? This is again very simple one. You know, when we have two bracket, how to multiply, right? We have learned that. Easy thing, right? And now here only thing, here we have index, here p to the power 2, here also p to the power 2, p square. Anyway, now what I will do, I will not multiply, I will write how you need to multiply, like that. Now by this first, you know, no, when you have two bracket, to expand and simplify, and here we have two terms inside the bracket. So what we do, first bracket first term, by the first bracket first term we multiply, we need to multiply the second bracket. In the second bracket, what, how many terms you have, that all terms you need to multiply by this one. So I will write it by 2p square. I need to multiply, this bracket mean multiplication, no, so you don't need to put it again here. I need to multiply by this term, this both. So I will write this, this is here, and then this both, same bracket we have in second, has seconds. Now here like this, by this term I need to multiply these two, then again by this term, but the second term of the first bracket, that means here minus 3, by minus 3 I need to multiply this one, but the again second bracket, 3p square minus 2. Okay, here I not multiply it, I just wrote it how you need to multiply. Okay, let's see multiply now. 2 into 3, it will be 6. P square into p square. Now you know, when you have like this way a theorem, for example, p to the power 5, what the answer? We have learned this index theorem, but when you have same base, here base is p, here multiplication, here base is p, here also base is p, and here multiplication. What we need to do, we should add this to index, that means 8, like that. Here p square into p square, right? It will be like this, p square into p square. So what the answer? P, same base, no, put the p, and 2 plus 2 4, it's like that. Here 2 into 3 is 6, p square into p square, it will be p to the power 4, like this. Okay, then 2p square into minus 2 plus 2 minus 2, plus minus minus 2 into 2 4, here p square, no, right? Here there's no any term, any letter, sorry, there's no any letter here, so just this p square will come like this. And then here I need to multiply again, but the by minus 3 I need to multiply plus 3 p square. So minus into plus, here this 3, there's no sign, that means plus, no, minus into plus, minus 3 into 3 9, and here there's no letter, but here we have, no, so that's why it will be p square. Then again minus 3 into minus 2, it's simple, minus into minus plus, 3 into 2 6. Okay, now when you have like this, here you have like terms, like terms means same, here p square p square, so here 6p to the power 4, and here this 2 is like terms because p square p square, but here we have p, but this 2 not like terms, because here p to the power 4, no, okay, here p to the power 2, here p to the power 2, so this like terms. Now very simple, we can add these two. Here we have same sign, no, when you have same sign, we put the same sign and add this number. 4 plus 9 mean 13, 13 p square. Here plus 6, there's no any other number, just number, a like term to this, so it will be just plus 6. So this is the final answer.